Tired of chasing payments and losing track of your invoices? Let's ditch the spreadsheet chaos and unlock the power of streamlined invoicing directly through Chase. While Chase doesn't offer a direct, built-in invoicing tool per SE, we'll explore effective methods to manage invoices leveraging connections with accounting software. Many small businesses successfully integrate Chase with popular accounting software such as QuickBooks or Xero. These platforms let you create and send professional invoices, track their status, and accept online payments which seamlessly link to your Chase business account. Think of it as your invoicing command center. To get started in your connected software, click the Create Invoice button, where you'll input the client's name and address. Next, assign a unique invoice number and clearly itemize the products or services you're billing. Be sure to set out any due dates or late payment fees. Elevate your brand by customizing the invoice template. Most accounting packages allow you to add your business logo and adjust the aesthetic to match your brand. Simplify the payment process by activating online payment options within your accounting software. Your clients then can pay directly from the invoice using credit cards, debit cards, or auth transfers, with the funds deposited straight into your Chase account. Monitor your invoices in real time. The tracking dashboard provides a clear overview of all invoices, allows you to easily view what's been sent, what's outstanding, and what's overdue. By using accounting software alongside your Chase business account, you're equipping yourself with a well-organized and time-saving way to manage billing and stay on top of your finances.